In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Circle. To your WordPress website. This process will enable you to seamlessly integrate your online community or membership space into your existing website, making it more accessible and efficient for your users. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. This is your starting point, as it's where you'll access the necessary links and settings for integration. Once you're logged in, look at your profile photo located at the top. Click on it to open a menu, then select Settings. Depending on whether you're offering paid access or free access, you'll need to navigate to either Payments, Plans, or Spaces. This step is crucial as it helps you manage the access level for your members. Next, decide which space or plan you want to link to your WordPress site. You'll see the options there, ready for your selection. Once you've made your choice, find and click either Share Checkout Link for paid plans or Copy Invite Link for free spaces. These links are critical as they're what you'll embed on your WordPress page. Now let's switch to the WordPress side of things. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard where you'll manage your pages. Head over to your Pages section and open the page where you wish to add your Circle.so link. Editing this page will allow you to integrate Circle.so directly. With the page editor open, you have a couple of options for adding the link. You can choose to add a button, link, or an HTML block. This decision depends on what you think will be most visible or useful for your site visitors. If you opt for the button or link method, paste the circle. So check out or invite link into the URL field provided. Make sure to click Update or Publish to save your changes. Alternatively, if you choose the iframe option, you'll need to add an HTML block to your page and paste your code there. Iframes can provide a more seamless experience by embedding the circle, so interface directly into your WordPress page. This option is often used for a more stylish and integrated look. The final step is to refresh your WordPress page. After saving all your changes, a quick refresh ensures everything is working as planned. Now, the Circle.so space or checkout page should be linked and accessible right from your WordPress site. And that's it. A straightforward process that enhances the functionality of your website by linking Circle, so allowing you to engage your community effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful integration tips.